So, mimi nasoma page ya kwanza na page ndio. No, we need
already on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. What are the one kwenye moja mwambie atoke uvae.
The news of yet another death of a young person caused by suicide is sad, and it is made worse by the fact that among ourselves we can prevent these deaths. Many comrades suffer from mood disorders, anxiety, trauma-related disorders, and even substance abuse disorders. Many times friends, next-door neighbors are aware of these disorders. They have seen the signs. Today, we are urging all comrades to speak out, to lend a hand to their brothers and sisters keeper. Comrades, power!
Power! To the progress of the implementation of the recommendations of the Ministry of Health Mental Health Task Force report of 2020. For instance, the government should consider enhancing the budgetary allocation to the mental health from the current 0.01% of the total health expenditure as reported in the report to a more substantive allocation. This, according to the task force, can be achieved by amending the Mental Health Act to provide for a mental health fund.
With unemployment, with the stress that come with the pandemic, we'd like to encourage the comrades to speak up. There is no shame in suffering. We are here for you. Join us in this campaign, 60 days campaign, online, and also partners, including the government. We'd like to encourage you, or rather to demand that you partner with us. In our institutions, there is a counseling office, I know, that is provided in every parastatal or institutions of learning. Please boost these offices by facilitating them and creating awareness of their availability for our students to be able to go to these offices and be able to speak up. For our comrades, we ask you, tafadhali, usijiue. Hii maisha ni ngumu, kila mtu anaipitia, and there is no shame in speaking up.
Power! Comrades, power! Power! Yetu ni, tuvuke tusaidiane. Yetu ni